I'm Bryan.
I'm Lecie.
This is Tuesday night at E.G. Beck for O-Town Swing. Every Tuesday night we got our 6 o'clock, what are we calling this one? Novice class? All right, perfect. Last week we did a continuous whip with Lecie. And this week we kind of took that one step further, continuous whip version 2.0.
In our rotational family.
We added a little more rotation for the follower. So just to show you what this is going to look like, basically we're coming 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the whip. The first 4 are the same. We're going to catch the hip on 6 though. So we're going 5, 6, all right? Follows are on their right foot. Leaders, we are fully on our left. Yes, that right foot is touching the ground. I'm in my left and I've crossed the slot.
This is still 6 of our whip.
Yes.
We've just changed the connection of the handhold, that's all.
This is still 6, okay? Relatively low, down here on the hip. There's a lot of connection here, okay? Leaders, 1 point. I'm not leaning into her, okay? I'm actually trying to lean. I'm trying to pitch away from her as much as I can.
As am I.
Yes, practice this with the mirror over there so you can look at your pitch. All right, I'm pitched
He loves
away.
the garlic.
And now we're going to do this flip on 7, 8. And I'm going to take the back of my right hand, and as she comes past me, roll into her shoulder blade. And look, we're right back to the position where we were on 4 of the basic whip. Now we say this is continuous because we can repeat. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. You can count this any way you want. And then when you're ready, just let her out. Basic exit from the whip.
Followers, we started talking about windmill arms. Your feet are doing the same whip footwork from here. I'm just doing a 3-step turn. 1, 2, 3, but it's not really a full complete turn, right? It's about more of a half of a turn. And then my whip footwork to 6. And I just repeat that until the leader's done. I have my right arm up for a couple reasons. One, I don't want to elbow my leader in the face. Once I found the connection here, I know I'm going to go the other direction. So I get this arm out of the way. And then to start creating that windmill that you see that's really cool, I circle the arms as I come up, and I can stop here if that helps me connect my left side. If I want to make it more dramatic, I just continue to take the right arm up. This also kind of helps you connect to drop this left arm.
Yes. Leads, other points that we talked about to make this more obvious, and something that's going to happen other than a normal basic whip, is I'm going to try to release my left hand early, okay? If we're doing an outside turn, we're into this position, early signal. Inside turn, I'm flipping the hand, that's an early signal. If I'm releasing, that should also be a signal to the follower. I let go, and as we start to come around, I'm going to sneak this hand over there and make contact even before we connect.
Let's show it from the other side.
Okay.
So we're here.
1, 2, 3, and release.
You can see both hands on my back.
There is a moment, yes, where I have 2 hands and catch. Leaders, footwork, we're just basically doing walk, 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 walk. And in fact, we did a little exercise where once we got into this, you just caught, breathe, and breathe, step, 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 step. You do that as long as you want to. If you're having trouble keeping up with the music.
We talked about when you take the follower from your right hand, from your left hand to your right hand is where you flip the follower. When you're taking the follower from your right hand to your left hand, there's no flip.
Because that is just
Flip.
essentially, this is 4, 5, 6 of a whip. 4,
No flip.
5, 6.
And then when we were asked how do we get out of this, Bryan basically releases me altogether, so then I'm looking for connection because that's my job as a follower, and so that it's easy to
So if we
regain
flip once,
whatever hand hold.
as we come out, something is going to be available. Even if this hand is doing something funny, okay? I've got my right hand on the shoulder blade. Worst case scenario, I can just drag down there, and now we're right to left. So you always have something available.
Usually though, if you start to release the follower, they'll tend to give you some more options or pay a little bit closer attention, hopefully.
All right, guys. Questions, hit us up on Facebook. If not, see us back here Tuesday. We'll get dancing in Orlando and O-Town every Thursday night, every Friday night.
I'm teaching Friday.
O-Town Meltdown coming up next month.
June 22nd.
Yes, get your tickets. Jeff Mumford, Jen DeLuca, Derek and Demery.
And all new merchandise. I just ordered it today.
There you go. All right. See you guys. Thanks.